Hi guys, back again. Sorry to be making so many videos. It's just using different ways to show you things means that I can't do one nice continuous one. But we had just looked at the decimal and the binary system on the board there, which was trying to back up what we had just looked at on Maths is Fun, if you can see it there. Okay, so hopefully you're now beginning to recognize what a binary number system looks like, as in it's all ones and zeros, and you tick over into the columns very quickly. Okay, so I'm going to leave the Maths is Fun page now, having done that. You can, if you want to, go to Khan Academy. He gives a good introduction, as he always does. I'm not going to play it now, but you can have a look at that and just, it's another method, another voice going through the same thing. So it's quite a difficult concept to grasp if you've never seen it before. So it's no harm to go and listen to what he has to say and show you as well. Okay. Now we'll work through some decimal to binary conversions and some binary to decimal conversions later on. If the Teams classes were happening, I would do them in those classes. It's something that is quite difficult to show when there's no response and you can't gauge how people are getting on. But there are some videos done for that, which I will post. There's two. They're just decimal to binary conversions for now, because I don't want to overload you. It's a lot of information. But there's a couple of examples here which I'll just walk through with you, so it won't be the first time you'll have seen it when you look at the videos. So this one is example 1. It says write the decimal number 17 as a binary number. Now, as you'll have seen, or you will see in the videos that I sent for the conversions, write down your exponents here at the side. Okay, so 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 2 to the 1 is 2, 2 to the 2 is 4, and so on. Okay, that's why I've had you learning about exponents for the last few weeks. Okay, so I've written the first 6 there. Okay, now to make 17, okay, we can go up as far as 2 to the power of 5 here. That's 32, that's way too big. So we can use 16, which is 2 to the power of 4, okay? That'll give us a 16. To make up 17 then, we just need a 1, okay? So 16 and 1, which is the same thing as 2 to the power of 4 and 2 to the power of 0, okay? And the way you write that, you always start on the right hand side, okay, with your 2 to the power of 0, and then you go across 2 to the power of 1, 2 to the power of 2, 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 4, okay? This is always your lowest value. Just like in decimal, the right hand column is the lowest value, okay? But when we're writing the number out, we write it from the left hand side, just like we do in decimal. If we had 9,762, so it's 9,762, start from the left hand side, but the 2 on the right hand side is our smallest value. So it's the same logic that applies, okay? So to convert 17 in decimal, we've already said we need a 16, which is 2 to the power of 4 over here, so we make that a 1. We don't need an 8, which is what 2 to the power of 3 is. We don't need a 4, which is what 2 to the power of 0 is. We don't need a 2, which is 2 to the power of 1, but we do need a 1, which is 2 to the power of 0. Okay, so that number is 10001, and that one there is this one here. Okay, you start reading it from the left hand side. Okay, there's 2 more examples of decimal to binary done on video for you, so have a look at this one and have a look at those 2. Okay, and if you're following all of that, fantastic. Okay, if you're not, like I say, email me, let me know, tell me you don't know what I'm talking about. I won't have any problem with that. It's not easy. Okay, this example here is converting binary and the binary number 110 to a decimal number. Now that looks like 110, but it's not, because you're told it's the base 2 number 110. It's not 110 in decimal. Okay, and the way you do that is, like I said, you read the numbers from left to right. So there's the 1, 1 and 0. So the number on the right hand side is the smallest number, the 1's column, or the 2 to the power of 0 column. The next one is the 2's column, 2 to the power of 1. Next one is 2 to the power of 2, which is the 4's, okay? So what you've got there is you have no 1's, you have 1, 2, and you have, sorry, you've 1, 2, and you have 1, 4, okay? So I have a mistake in there actually. Let me stop that. Hi guys, apologies, I just noticed that I'd made a mistake there, so I must send you the updated version of this file, because 2 to the power of 1 is 2, and you've one of those, which means that you have a 2, and 2 to the power of 2 is 4, you've one of those, so you have 4 and 2, 4 and 2 is 6. I had written 4 plus 1 is 5, which was wrong, so apologies for that. So that's your binary to decimal conversion. Don't worry about binary to decimal conversion. If you are able to do decimal to binary, by the end of this week, I will be absolutely delighted. And we can continue with binary to decimal after midterm, okay? So that is it for now. It's midterm next week, so there won't be any class, so I won't be hounding you with more videos and lesson plans. Have a good week off. Hopefully we'll be back sometime before the Easter break, but I don't know yet. So I'll be in touch with you anyway. I'll give you a call to see how you're getting on, and talk soon. Okay, thanks. Bye.